2022 champion jockey Dane Dawkins celebrated another milestone at Caymanas Park with his 500th career win aboard imported 7-year-old chestnut mare Desert of Malibu in the Easter Sprint Cup on Monday. More in this report.
Dane Dawkins' 499th win came aboard Peter John Prasad's Feeling Free almost 2 weeks ago after riding a four-timer on the day. And he acknowledged he had to be a little patient to get to 500 wins.
Just a little setback, but you know it will come in fourth. Very, very happy.
Dawkins, who graduated from the JRC Riding School in 2015, was confident in his ability to deliver after riding for a decade.
It's because I'm a very dedicated person and I always do what the trainer told me and put through my work. Out race day, I execute my rides.
Meanwhile, over the years, the 32-year-old Dawkins has had a successful partnership with the trainer Gary Subrati, and the two combined to win the 1,000 Guineas Jamaica Derby as well as Jamaica Cup with the Super Filly and former Horse of the Year Atomica in 2022.
Oh, it's very pleasing for me because Dane has stuck with me for the years, and to give him his 500 win, I'm very proud of it, and I'm proud of him. Definitely. I mean, a lot of jockeys don't reach 500, and he's doing well, and he's still competitive, and he's still a young youth.
It's a very, very good partnership. He's coming like he's my dad.
Right.
That's how he treats me.
Dawkins also won the 2,000 Guineas aboard the Richard trained Mojito in 2023. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.